So, what are we doing today? We are going to talk on set Venn diagram. How does it work? So, the major thing we are talking or I'm going to talk is the basic tools, that is stepping tools of knowing what this set Venn diagram. So, the first thing we know, we are going to be talking about intersection of the set. Then we will still talk about union of the set. Then we talk about the difference of a set. Then we talk about the complement of a set. So we'll be talking about one after the other. So when we say intersection of a set, is another name for interset, which is n, which is n. So we are talking about this one. So you look at it, it says set A intersect set B. So it's all about what? What is common in both of the sets? What is common in both of the sets? Example given. Let's say we have set A as 1 and 2, set B as 3 and 2. Then what is common between them is this 2. So that 2 is the common between them, which is the interset. So A intersect B will now give what? 2. So that's all about intersection of set. Then we talk about union of the set. Then the union of a set, when you say union of a set, is what? Combining all those elements together. Combining all the elements in set A and set B. Like earlier, the example I gave, I said, let's say we have set A is 1 and 2, set B is 2 and 3. So the combining of the all together now will be what? 1, 2, 3. That's set A union set B. As A intersect B will now be 1, 2, 3, which is the what? The union of what? So that is all about what? Set. And let me remind you that union of a set does not accept repetition. Let's say like that set A as 1 and 2, set B as 2 and 3. So you can't say the union is 1, 2, 2, 3. It's wrong. It's 1, 2, 3. So just one. Those repetition is not allowed in terms of what set given. So we're talking about the difference of a set. When we say the difference of a set, it simply means what is in set A and it's not in B, or what is in set B and it's not in A. That's all about difference. Like earlier example we gave, is set A is 1 and 2, set B is what? 2 and 3. What is not in, let's say set A minus B. That's A minus B. That is set A. Difference of what? B. Then what is not in A? What is not what? In A and what is not in what? In B. When you say set A minus B, simply means what? What is in what? A that is not in B. So the answer will be what? 1. Because 1 is not in what? In B. When you say B minus A, that is what is not in A but is in B, which is 3. So that means the answer B minus A is what? 3. So that's all about the difference of a set. Then we talk about complement of a set, which is called complement of a set is what? What is not in that set given. Let's say set A is 1 and 2, set B is 2 and 3. Then and I say complement of A. So complement of A now will be equal to what? 3. Why? 3 is not an element of A. So the complement of A is what? Opposite of what? A. So when I say complement of B is opposite of B, what is not in B that is in A is 1. So complement of B now, or you say B complement, is what? 1. So that is all about complement of what? Complement explanation. So complement is all about what? Inverse of the set. Inverse of the set. That's all about complement. That's what we can talk about set. So like example they give here, so let's use an example. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B is what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Like the Venn diagram here is what? In explanation, right? It's an intersection. Set A intersects set B. So what is common in set A and B is what? 3 and 4. That's why you have 3 and 4 here. Union of a set A union B. What is, that's it, you pick all. That's why they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, there's no repetition. The repetition is violated. Don't accept repetition. So difference now, set A minus B. That is A minus B now. That's what is not, what is in A that is not in B. As you can see, is what 1 and 2. That is why they say it's this. Difference is like B minus A. What is not in A that is in B is 5 and 6. So I hope with all this explanation, I've given you an hint and basic of what of a set. So that's all about the basics of a set. And I hope to see you in our next video to talk majorly on set, how to calculate some calculation in set, how to do the Venn diagram in set. Then please subscribe and what? Then subscribe. Then if try and put more of questions that you don't know, maybe in your university, in your secondary school, that there are some questions that are related to set you don't know. So drop it on the what? Comments. Then we'll be dealing with them. We'll be dealing with them. And I know by God's grace, with the little I know, I will cover. We will cover. So just pump the comments with questions related to set. So I will be here to push you through by God's grace. So we are looking up for the next video related to what set. Then you would be grounded in what set and its theory is Venn diagram, how the calculation go. So with your what physical question give it to you, don't within once you just look at it, you have no. Because in what solving whatever, one thing about solving is that knowing the problem, where it's coming from. So that's the beginning of the solution. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.